Here's how to set up the Parrot MAMBO. Insert the battery or press the on-off button to turn on the Parrot MAMBO. Now, download the Free Flight Mini application from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Activate the Bluetooth function in your smartphone or tablet and open the Free Flight Mini application. Free Flight automatically detects Parrot mini drones situated around you. A list of drones will appear. Select your drone. Wait until the LEDs change to green. The Parrot MAMBO is now ready. You are now connected to the Parrot MAMBO. And your drone is now ready for takeoff.
Solo es una y es lo que el corazón pide. Esta noche te vienes conmigo pa' que no la olvides. Sentaditas en la arena y tú bailándome sirena. Esta noche somos tú y yo. Dale rumbo, mami, con esa burrito dueña del party. Yo sé que tú estás puesta pa' mí. Somos dos animales en esta safari, yeah.
Es una, vívela como tú quieras, deja que la vibra suba y vive a tu manera. Tú eres para mí, yo soy para ti, vámonos de aquí, que estamos los dos. Vive, la vida solo es una y es lo que el corazón pide. Esta noche te vienes conmigo pa' que no lo olvides. Sentaditos en la arena, tú bailando más sirena. Esta noche somos tú y yo. La vida es una, vívela como tú quieras. Deja que la vibra suba y vive a tu manera. Tú eres para mí, yo soy para ti, vámonos de aquí, que estamos los dos.
Anafi is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. Anafi is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
This is Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like,
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.